Optimize your affiliate marketing with these tips. What do you know about affiliate marketing? Do you have a personal marketing plan? If you do you wish to improve upon it? Is what you're using working with your business or against it? If you cannot answer these questions confidently, look at the tips that are listed below. When looking for payout from an affiliate marketing program, remember that many companies will hold on to your money for quite some time after a sale. In many cases, you have to meet a lower threshold before you are allowed to withdraw your commission. In other cases, the parent company may hold your money until after they ship the product, to ensure the order isn't cancelled or returned. Don't expect instant payout on a sale. A profitable affiliate marketing program should require no more than an hour and a half of supervision per day. While the time cost of affiliate programs will be greater during the initial setup period, website owners who find themselves spending 2, 3 or more hours dealing with their affiliates every day should rethink their affiliate partnerships. To increase the success of your affiliate marketing, utilize time management software to record your different tasks. This will allow you to evaluate the amount of time that you spend on all of the different tasks you do, and eliminate potential bottlenecks. It can be surprising to learn how much time you waste on simple things like checking your email. Developing and keeping a list of ideas handy is a great way to achieve an affiliate marketing. Once you learn a great tip or have one of those proverbial light bulb moments, always remember to make a note of it so you can refer to it later on. As you progress in your note keeping, you can begin to form campaigns from loose ideas. Are you more informed when it comes to affiliate marketing? Do you have a plan, or do you have a better plan now? Can you now use programs that work with you? Do you know how to properly apply your plan? With any luck, the tips in this video should have created better answers. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.